All right, so today I'm on page 255 and I am on the concept of partial product. What is partial product? What is it? It is a strategy to multiply multi-digit numbers. Okay? It is a strategy. A partial product is just a strategy. And a partial product looks like this one down here. That's your partial product. Okay? So it is a way to multiply multi-digit numbers. And what do I know about it? I can use, open up the pen. An area model. An area model it's the last one that I show you that looks like that. Okay? To help find partial products. All right, now I'm going to do some examples in the bottom. I'm going to choose a different color each time. For example, let's say I have 12 times 11. So I'm going to use an area model. This is an area model. I'm going to draw out a box. I break the 12 to 10 plus 2, and I break the 11 to 10 plus 1 on the other side. Now I know that this is going to be 10 times 10 because this is 10 times 10. That gives me 100. This is going to be 10 right here times 2, and that will give me 20. I will add these two boxes together. That will give me 120. And then down here at the bottom, it's going to be 1 times 10. That will give me 10. And over here, it's going to be 1 times 2, and that gives me 2. And so I have 10 plus 2, that gives me 12. Okay? So I have to add these two together because I have to add all 4 boxes, and that gives me a product of 132. That's one example using area model. Another one is we talked about using expanded form. I'm going to use a different color, maybe orange. Same problem, 12. Oh shoot, maybe a different color would be better. I'm using green. My orange is running out of ink. 12 times 11. I keep one of the numbers. Let's say I keep 11. And I'm going to break 12 into 10 plus 2 times 11. Okay? So I'm going to bring that, I'm going to break that apart again. So this is going to be 10 times 11. This is the same thing as that. Plus, don't forget, because this is 11 times both of these numbers, 2 times 11. Okay? So how many zeros do I see here? I see 1 0. 11 times 1 is 11. Plus, 11 times 2 is 22. If I add these two numbers together, I still have 132. That's the second way of doing that. Now, the third way of doing partial product, let me see if I can find a different pen. Maybe a gray. Okay. All right. This is actually, we call it partial product. Because they're little pieces. So I have 12 times 11. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 1 times 2. This is going to be 1 times 2. That gives me 2. And then I have the next one, which is going to be 1 times, this is in the tens place, so that is going to give me 10. All right, the next one, after I'm done with that, I'm going to take this one. This is not in the ones, this is in the tens place. So this is 10 times 2, which gives me 20, right? Because that's 10, and this is in the ones place. And the last number I have on here is going to be 10, because this number is 10 times, this is going to be 10 as well, because this is in the tens place. So that gives me 100. If you add up all those numbers, you have 2, 3, 1. All right. So this demonstrates how you can use different methods to come to the same conclusion.